Yes, good afternoon, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TS last set 2021, and today is the 12th session in the progress. And what I posted on the screen, Akila, could you unmute and read what I posted on the screen? Yes, Srividya joined now, just now. Yes, I could hear her. Akila, could you unmute and read what I posted on the screen so that I could know that you could see me? I mean, you could see what I posted on the screen and you could hear me also. Yes?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You read what is posted on the screen.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Read.
Professor Dr. Mohammed Sahib Hussain, WhatsApp number
Good.
970-1440939.
Good.
Sri Kalikonda Sharad Babu, WhatsApp number 9490983119. Miss Motamari Sri Vidya, WhatsApp number 9100587622. Your
Good.
feedback is immense value, help to us to improve our virtual classes. Please send in WhatsApp your opinion, comments, views without any fear and favor. We are much indebted to all
All you all.
you all.
Yes. Here, what is this plus 91?
Yes,
This plus 91, what is this? The cursor which I have shown over here.
the
That shows
code
India.
for India. Sir.
91 stands for India. Actually, we have to write the 0091 instead of 00. You can write plus. It's enough. If you want to make a call from the foreign country, definitely you have to add the plus, then 91. Then only you will receive the call. That's the reason you are supposed to keep the plus 91. If anybody calls you from anywhere also, then you could hear it. That is number one. Number two, Akila, opinion and comments. In between there is one sign is there.
Yes, sir.
What is that sign?
Slash, sir.
Spelling?
SLASH.
But I told you that Professor Hussain students will not say slash, neither they say stroke,
Oblique, sir.
neither say oblique, but they do say virgule. VIRGULE. I repeat,
Yes, sir.
VIRGULE. Virgule. That is the virgule. That is the Professor Hussain students will say. Now, whether Srividya, can I make you host? Srividya, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I make you host?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now I turn to the Srividya. Now Srividya will take the lead. Yes, we can continue from 152, Srividya. Yes.
Can you see my screen, sir? Screen visible, sir?
Yes, I am hearing you. Screen.
Is my screen also visible, sir?
No, the screen is not visible.
Now?
Yes, now it is visible. Yes, now it is. Magnify it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is it okay, sir, now?
Oh, it's okay. It's okay now.
As part of GK, now we are discussing some related questions to GK. And I am Sri Vidya. Yesterday we have seen Sharad Babu sir discuss few questions related to general knowledge. And today is my turn. 152 question. What is national tree of India? Option 1, tamarind. Option 2, banyan tree. Option 3, neem tree. Option 4, peepal tree.
Option 2, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. Next question. It is the image of banyan tree and the source. I would say center.
Yes.
And next
Good.
question 53. What is the national fruit of India? Option 1, pomegranate. Option 2, apple. Option 3, banana. Option 4, mango.
Option 4, I think, ma'am.
Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. 154. What is the national monument of India? Option 1, Charminar. Option 2, Red Fort. Option 3, India Gate. Option 4, Gateway of India.
Gateway of India.
Sorry, it's not Gateway of India, it's India Gate.
Okay.
Show the image.
Yes, sir, it's sir. And here is the image of India Gate. And
What is Gateway of India?
Please give the feedback.
Gateway of India is Bombay.
Gateway of India is
Is the Arabian
Mumbai.
Sea there?
Mumbai.
Objection.
Mumbai is Gateway of India.
okay. Okay, sir.
Go to the
155.
next.
What is the national heritage animal? Option 1 sheep, option 2 cow, option 3 deer, option 4 elephant.
Option 2, ma'am.
Sorry, it's not cow, it's elephant.
Option 4.
Yes, yes. Option 4 is the correct answer. I think someone added. 156. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Option 1 dolphin, option 2 fish, option 3 octopus, option 4 whale. Anyone can try. Just answer irrespective of the correct answer. Just try.
Dolphin, ma'am.
Yes, dolphin is the correct answer.
It's
And
today. It is good to see someone answering.
yes, sir.
I appreciate.
Maximum correct answers Akila Garu is giving. What is the national river of India? Option 1 Narmada River. Option 2.
Option 3, Ganga River.
Yes, yes. Durga Prasad is present again. And here is the feedback. Prime Minister, it's not Manmohan, it's Manmohan Singh. It was declared a national river by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in 2008 in order to achieve the objectives of Ganga Action Plan initiated by PM Rajiv Gandhi in 1985. And this is the feedback. How many types or forms for each verb? Option 1 3, option 2 4, option 3 5, option 4 6. Different forms of verb.
Example. Suppose go is a root is there. Then go generally we will say the present tense and past participle. Then total becomes how many? Including the present. I gave the hint also.
3, sir.
No.
It's 5.
5. Because the root is there. Root, present participle, and past participle. Then total you will see the how many it has come.
5.
Yeah, first one is
Root.
each verb root from where it has come. The second one is third person singular. How do you say it? Suppose
Called base form. Root is
yes,
called base.
it's a base form. Yeah, that
I
is the
saw.
foundation base form. Or either we can say etymology. So next is the present participle, and next is past, and next is the past participle. Okay.
159. The top 4 major football trophies in priority or sequence. Here are the 4.
I will give one
Please,
example for.
give some more
I will
feedback.
give example. Go.
Yes,
That is
yes.
base form. Going
Please.
is present participle. That is ing form. Present participle, that is called. Goes, when we use third person with simple present, we use go. Suppose third person, he, she goes to school every day. I go to school every day. He is going to school. So like that, 3 forms have already come.
Present
And next,
participle mean ing is added, no sir. I am going.
yes, ing we have already added. I am going to school. That is with ing form. That is present participle. That is called. And I went to school yesterday. That is past tense of go. And whenever we use past perfect or present perfect, any perfect tense, we use that past participle. I have gone, she has gone, he has gone, like that. And this past participle is also used with passive voice, So like that, the uses of the different forms of verbs are there. Okay,
I
you can
appreciate
continue.
Kolkanda Sharad Babu for your wide knowledge in the sentence, simple sentence and past sentence and the past participle and using the different terminology with the use of the verb go.
We are
Yes,
very lucky
please.
to have English professor, sir.
Yes, yeah. And Kolkanda Sharad Babu is actually teaching English, and that's why he's well versed in the grammar also. GRAMMAR, grammar. So a person glamour is his grammar. A person's glamour is her glamour. GLAMOUR, glamour. Okay. Next 159.
Thank you, sir, for your appreciation.
Yes, welcome.
159 question. The top four major football trophies in priority or sequence. Option 1, the Premiership Trophy. Option again, the FA Cup Trophy, the Champions League Trophy, the World Cup Trophy. Just identify the sequence. Take your time. Any guess by the participants?
Try if it is wrong also doesn't matter.
Option 3.
Option 3. Uh, the last one should we change it? The correct answer is option 2. The Premiership Trophy, the Champions League Trophy, the FA Cup Trophy, the World Cup Trophy. It is four major football trophies. Next question. The game associated with cup and trophy. Rangaswamy Cup, Ranji Trophy, Rovers Cup, Ryder Cup. And just match the following. Which game is associated with which cup? A trophy. You can guess Indian very easy. By seeing the name only you can guess it. Which seems like Indian name here in the four options.
Rangaswamy.
Yes, sir. Can easily match Rangaswamy to hockey.
Yes,
Again,
next.
try for UK, which seems like UK name.
The Ryder Cup.
Yes, sir. And the answer is option 4. First one, Rangaswamy Cup, and the feedback is here. Rangaswamy Cup is for hockey India, Ranji Trophy for cricket, Cup for football, Ryder Cup for golf. It's in UK.
What is Santosh Trophy for?
We
Santosh,
discussed it earlier.
yes, football. It is for football.
So
Football,
keep it in the mind. Santosh Trophy is for the soccer or football, and Ranji Trophy is for the cricket. In the Rovers, for instance, Rover, yeah,
CK Naidu Trophy is also for this cricket.
means cricket. Yeah, yeah. We can also just remember how we can make it the Rovers. ROVER, rover means rover is ROVER, rover is there. Santosh SANTO is there. Then the football also the two is there. Two O's are there. That is FOO. That is TBAL means rovers. That's the mnemonic we can remember. The Rovers Cup is related to and Santosh Trophy relates to the football because Rovers O is there and Santosh O is there. The two O's are there, and here also football. The two O's are here, and hence these are related. This is the way one should have to develop their own equations and remember the thing that is called mnemonics. MNEMONICS. Yes.
Can have one's own mnemonics. One can develop one's own mnemonics
Yes.
in a very easy manner.
The way that which you want to remember, the way they want to remember. Okay, go to next.
I also mentioned years here.
Yes, 1898 is the Rovers Cup and Santosh Trophy is 1941. It is established over there for the football. Yes, next.
What is order decorations are medals of India in highest to lowest are first to the fourth civilian awards in India? Option 1, Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. The four were jumbled here. The four civilian awards from the top to bottom.
Yesterday I given the sequence. In the awards, I made the sequence yesterday. What comes first and what comes next. And somebody give also the answer. Yes,
The
give
Bharat
the
Ratna comes first.
very good.
Ratna, please remember Ratna,
Vajram,
Ratnam, that is the most precious jewel.
diamond.
So after that, Vibhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Vibhushan is greater than Bhushan. So you can remember like that. Later Padma Bhushan. After that, finally Padma Shri. So
Yes, sir.
that is the better way to remember.
Yeah.
Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri.
Yeah, if you remember the Vishnu, you could know the Vibhushan, Vishnu Vibhushan. Then the Padma Bhushan, then after the Sri will comes last. The ladies will come last. Actually, ladies first, but here ladies last. We can keep it. This is the mnemonic value. Next.
Yes, sir. 162. Who is founder of Vijayar Group of School? Option 1, Surabh Bharadwaj. Option 2, Arvind Kejriwal. Option 3, Rastam Karewala. Option 4, Bhagavat Mann. Is it Saurabh Bharadwaj or Arvind Kejriwal or Rastam Karewala or Bhagavat Mann?
The group of schools are there, like Delhi group of schools. Delhi public school, even in is it there in Khammam? But it is there in Warangal, where going
No,
towards
sir.
Hajipet to Hyderabad. Delhi public school.
Yes.
Is it there in Khammam?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So such is the groups of the schools, the VGR group of schools. Yes, give the answer, feedback.
The answer is option 3, Rastam Karewala is the correct answer. And can someone explain this Vijayar?
Who is Arvind Kejriwal?
Yeah, supplementary question.
Chief Minister for Delhi.
Very good.
What is his party?
What is his party?
Party name.
Aam Aadmi Party.
Aam Aadmi.
What is the symbol of the Aam Aadmi Party electoral symbol?
Broom.
Chipro.
Yes. Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Broom. Say broom. Okay. Cheaper also broom. Okay. Next. Srividya.
What color comes if all the colors of Vijay combined?
That's what I'm asking. Colors. Tell me, sir.
What color comes
Anyone
out
can
of
answer.
all the colors of Vijay? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Rainbow.
White
And
color.
Light is white. Hence, all are mixed.
That was
Sorry,
demonstrated by Newton, the great scientist Newton.
Read the feedback.
Rastam Karewala, founder, chairman of Vijaya Group of School, is driven by the purpose to put quality education within the reach of all, which will help young minds to grow and develop into progressive thinkers and leaders of tomorrow. And this is the feedback. 163 question. The first Chief Minister of Delhi was Dash and the first woman CM of BJP. CH Barham Prakash and Sushma Swaraj, or CH Sushma Swaraj or Bharam Prakash, Sri Smriti Irani or Bharam Prakash or Smriti Irani.
Which is the right answer among the four?
You can guess by the last one, first woman CM of BJP. You can just look at to the last who's woman so that you can
I
take off
don't know. Just to shoot at one answer.
Yes, one is the answer.
Yes, sir.
One is the answer. Read. The first Chief Minister of Delhi was C.H.
The first
Brahman
Chief Minister of
Prakash.
Delhi and the first woman CM of BJP is Sushma Swaraj.
Did Sushma Swaraj
BJP.
become CM of Delhi, sir?
Yeah. Because no, generally it says a BJP. I don't know whether it's a Delhi or for other things. The first Chief Minister of the Delhi was Chief Minister of Delhi was Brahma Prakash, and the first
But
woman
I
CM.
doubt,
CM
I
also.
doubt whether Sushma became CM at all.
No, it is there. It is there.
Okay, sir. Continue.
Okay, next.
Continue.
What is the
Next.
old name? What is the Delhi old name? Dimpah, Shahjahanabad, Indraprastha, Janhapat. Yes, Indraprastha.
This name we come across in Mahabharata.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir. The history of the city is old as the epic Mahabharata. The town was known as Indraprastha, where Pandavas used to live. Nirmala Sitaraman belongs to which party? I think
BJP.
options are not needed. Yes, sir. Bharatiya Janata Party is the correct answer. What is giant killer? Who is giant killer? I'm sorry. Option 1 Nirmala Sitaraman. Option 2 Smriti Irani. Option 3 Smriti Swaraj. Option 4 Sushma Swaraj. And I request
She defeated the Rajiv Gandhi in the parliamentary constituency. Is it parliamentary constituency?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rahul Gandhi defeated Rahul Gandhi.
Rahul Gandhi, yeah, Rahul Gandhi, not
Rahul
Rajiv
Gandhi
Gandhi.
in Amethi, I
Sushma
think.
Swaraj.
Yes. No.
It is Smriti Irani.
Amedi.
Smriti Irani, right?
Smriti Irani, and eventually she also became the Union Cabinet Minister.
Yes.
And I want to add one more
Please
thing.
add.
Generally, giant killers are those who defeat the famous personalities. For example, I want to mention in our Andhra Pradesh also, erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, N.T. Ramarao was a famous person and he was then CM and he was defeated by a very relatively unknown person, Chittaranjan Das. So then also he was called giant killer. Chittaranjan Das was giant killer.
Appreciate for your nice feedback. Our Kolkanda Sharad Babu, the co-host. Next. Go to the next. 167. Go to the next. Srividya.
Is there a technical glitch?
Yeah, might be there. I think that is the reason she could not mute. Shall I take up?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm just reading, but I forgot to unmute. 167 is missing, sir. So I'm just reading 168. The highest number of assembly constituents in India. Option 1 Madhya Pradesh. Option 2 Uttar Pradesh. Option 3 Gujarat. Option 4 Maharashtra.
Option 2 Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, option 2 Uttar Pradesh is the correct answer. The biggest state, Uttar Pradesh, has 404 members in its assembly. States which have small population and are small in size have a provision for having an
Scroll.
even lesser number or members in legislative assembly. Pondicherry has 33 members. Mizoram and Goa have only 40 members each. 169. The Uttar Pradesh Legislative Council has dash members.
Scroll.
Which state originated from Uttar Pradesh? Which
Me-
state originated from Uttar Pradesh? Uttaranchal. Previously, it used to Uttar Pradesh, part of Uttar Pradesh, and then Uttaranchal was separate.
Just answer the options, you read it.
Option 1 98, option 2 99, option 3 100, option 4 101.
Legislative Council. Try, but
Okay, the answer
Option
is,
one.
sorry, it's option 3. 100 is the correct answer. 178th question. Which is the number one advanced state in India? Option 1 Goa, option 2 Chandigarh, option 3 Kerala, option 4 Karnataka. Which is the number one advanced state in India?
Kerala.
Kerala.
Kerala. It's a known question.
can anybody tell why is the advanced stage? What is the ground? Basic
person-
ground.
The
Literacy.
people living there, they're very sharp, sir.
Literacy.
Why are they sharp?
Literacy
Why are they
constant.
sharp? What is the reason for it?
Kobar nune. Coconut oil.
Coconut, sir, yes.
Because it is the most literate state in the country.
DNA, because the father is having the good literacy, and he will see that because that is only the education. Even the what Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, give the good education, don't give any other thing. Give the good education and see how the youth become the leaders, and how the political parties will grow, how the nation will grow. Okay, next.
171. Land of rising sun. Option 1 Bhutan, option 2 Japan, option 3 Pakistan, option 4 Kyrgyzstan.
It is a very easy question.
Japan.
Japan.
Yes, sir.
I want to ask, sir,
Yes.
what is the land of midnight sun?
Yeah, that's a very good question.
What is the land of midnight sun?
Where the high latitude is there, that is the
Norway.
place.
Norway is the land of midnight sun.
Very good, very good. Huh? Yes, this is the additional thing that you could learn it. Very nice.
Yes, sir. I think feedback is not needed. I'm going
Yeah.
to 172. Which country has most volcanoes in India? In the world, sorry. Option 1 Japan, option 2 Malaysia, option 3 Sri Lanka, option 4 Indonesia.
Japan.
Sorry. One more chance to the participants.
The second chance.
Malaysia.
Sri Lanka.
Everyone told all the options.
Okay, that let me give some feedback over here. And here the right answer is Indonesia, and Indonesia also be famous for anyone highest Muslim population from Indonesia, and the highest people will go to the Hajj from the Indonesia. And one of the compulsory there, a person who did not do Hajj, and he will not, the girls will not be given to him. Means that is the primary condition, prerequisite to get married. One should have to perform the Hajj. So that's why the many
Their
people from
importance
the
is
Indonesia.
given to
Yes,
Hajj Yatra.
yes, Hajj Yatra, that is. And yes.
Yes, sir, continue. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, that is the famous for the Indonesia is concerned. Yeah. Next,
With more than 13,000 islands, Indonesia leads the world with largest number of active volcanoes. The area volcanoes have also produced the most fatty lights.
yes, one of the participants say Japan is famous. Yes, Japan is famous. One is the rising sun of number one. Number two, of course, we will come across now regarding the earthquake also. Yes, go to the next.
173. Which country has no volcanoes? Option 1 Czechoslovakia, option 2 Yugoslavia, option 3 Venezuela, option 4 Morocco.
Morocco. You keep R. M-O-R.
Venezuela.
M-O-R-O-C-C-O. Morocco. Because Morocco is where our Bhumadhya Rekha. What do you say, Bhumadhya Rekha?
Equator.
Equator goes over there to the Morocco, and very famous for fruits. That area is, and the Morocco language is French. They speak French colony, that is.
It was, I think it was ruled by French.
Yes, yes, like Sierra Leone, French, and even some of the part of the Kigali, that is the Rwanda also, were the French colony, where the French will be spoken by most of the people. In the international human rights competition,
In our country, that Puducherry, in Puducherry, people speak somewhat French.
yeah, because there also because French people are many are there. That's why it will be spoken French, and that is the reason the African international moot court competition. There are two streams are there. One is Anglophona, another is Frenchophona. Means English speaking country one moot court and French speaking country another moot court. Both will run parallel, and then both the places they will be the runners in that moot court because of the languages. Next.
Answer is Venezuela, sir.
Venezuela. Answer is Venezuela here because there is no volcanoes. A reason, feedback.
Feedback. I don't have much feedback, sir.
Naturally, because the earth is not that much loose over there, number one, and there is a, of course, there are many other reasons also there to see the why volcanoes will
I
not be
think small
come out.
size country.
Yes, because volcano eruptions would be there when the heat in the strata
Well,
will come outside
when the
like a lava.
lava
Lava.
melts,
Yeah.
it comes out with
Yes.
great fury.
Yes. Next.
Which country is called land of earthquakes?
Yes.
Option
Now
one,
you can
India,
say.
option two, Japan, option three, Russia, and
Japan.
Yeah, I told you that land of rising sun number one, Japan, and karate, Japan, because karate means empty hand. That is the
Japan is also known for harakiri. Harakiri, suicide.
yeah. And their suicide is cutting the throat with the sword, severing the throat, head.
It's
Suicide
because
is
in Venezuela there is a
known as
mountain system
known as
originated.
harakiri.
Yeah. Miss World, Miss Universe also from Venezuela once upon a time. I don't know which
It's a
number is there.
mountain system originated, sir. So volcanoes does not occur.
Acha. Mountains are very more in the Venezuela.
Yes, sir. That's
Oh,
the
that is
reason.
the reason that it will not eruption will not come out. Okay, next 174. Yeah, that is over.
Yes, sir.
175.
Which is the oldest country in Asia? Is also among the oldest countries in the world. Ethiopia, Japan, China, and Korea. Oldest country in Asia and oldest country in the world. Is it Ethiopia, China, or Korea?
Try it.
China.
See, just not a silent
Familiar
spectator.
answer.
Please try to participate. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. There is no minus marks.
It's a familiar answer.
Again,
First
Japan stands.
Yes, sir.
Ethiopia.
Japan.
Sir.
Japan. Okay.
Answer
Japan
is
popularly
read
known as
the feedback.
sun. Japan, popularly known as the land of rising sun, or we may say oldest country in the world by age, has seen many empires rising and simultaneously falling. Japan became an influential country only during the Meiji Restoration era. This oldest country in Asia is also among the oldest countries in the world. Rice Bowl of India, 176 question. Rice Bowl of India. Option 1 East Godavari, option 2 West Godavari, option 3 Chittur, option 4 Guntur. Hope everyone can answer this. Telugu state, Telugu district. Just throw a stone.
West Godavari.
Yes, East Godavari is the correct answer. Andhra
But
Pradesh is
it is
historically
West
called the
Godavari.
rice bowl of India, although the same terms is also used for Chhattisgarh. In Andhra Pradesh itself, East Godavari district is known as the rice bowl of Andhra Pradesh. Please remember this.
Kodakonda,
177.
do you want to add anything? Sharat Babu, do you want to add anything?
No, sir, not at this instance.
Okay, next.
177. Rice will be grown in which type of land? Option 1, dry land. Option 2, red land. Option 3, arable. Option 4, loamy soil. Is it loamy soil, sir?
Yes, it's a loamy soil.
Option 3. Option 4.
Option 3 is only correct answer.
Arable, arable.
Arable. Do you want to add any feedback to this, sir?
Telugu.
Yes, yes. In the dry land, you see, especially maize will be grown over there. Red gram will be grown over there. And the red land, generally, it is a watermelon will be grown over there. And even sugarcane will be grown over there. And dry crops will be grown over there in the dry land, red landers. And the dry land, it needs a less water. And wetland needs a more water. And the arable land, the rice also in the beginning it needs some more water, but later on it will not be there. Especially when the plantation is there, it needs full of water. That is a must. So that was a loamy soil means loose soil. Yes, next.
138. Rice bowl of world. Option 1, Vietnam. Option 2, Thailand. Rice bowl of world.
China.
Sorry, not China, it's Thailand. As of now ratio, I think China is the correct answer.
Is it China will be grown more?
Yes, sir.
So, sir,
Because once upon a time is a Thailand, like
Rice is
I do
Thailand
think
is
so. China, I think it tops the list in the production of rice. I don't know for sure, but I think so.
Search.
yes. Let me add one more thing. Like earlier, the sugar bowl of world is Cuba, but
Yes,
now
yes.
now in 1961 it is changed Brazil. Yeah, now next question will come. Yeah, now here it is there. Sugar bowl it has
Yes,
come
yes.
already given over there.
Sugar bowl of world at present, that is 2021. Option 1, Cuba, Brazil, India, and China.
Just now that I have given the
What
answer for
percentage
that
why
one. You
China
read the
is
feedback.
Option 2.
Earlier it was Cuba, but now it's the Brazil.
China, sir?
No.
Brazil is
Only
also,
rice may be China, but not sugar.
sir, Brazil is also famous for coffee.
I don't have an idea. But regarding the sugar is concerned, it is only the Brazil which is foremost. Yeah, subject to the correction because I saw it. It is the Brazil. That's the reason which I have given the feedback. You read the feedback.
Cuba has largest sugar industry, which is now decaying, and its position is now taken up by Brazil, followed by India. Until 1960, Cuba was the largest sugar exporter in the world, hence the name sugar bowl of the world.
Yes. Up to 1960, Cuba stands over there. But later on, because the most of the industries are decayed and it is not properly functioning over there, hence the sugar production would be less. That's why the name that will be taken by the Brazil and followed by India means second rank India. Yes, next.
Which river in India brings sorrow or disaster in the state of Bihar? Punpun River, sir.
Yes.
Punpun River, Bagmati River, Kosi River, Kamla River.
Hint. If you know the remember the Mosi river, Musi river, you could give the answer for this one.
Similar term.
Sir, we don't know where is the Musi river. Is there anybody now in the participant 13 doesn't know where is the Musi river?
Yes, sir, I know.
Spectators, please give me the answers.
Hyderabad.
Yes, I
Hyderabad.
appreciate. Yes, and now you give the answer for the year 180.
Is a
Give the
similar term.
answer.
Kosi River.
Yes, yes, very good.
Sir has already given Musi, so you can find the matching one is Kosi.
Yes,
This
it's the
Kosi
Kosi River.
River.
Read the feedback.
Yes, sir. A flood affected 1 minute. A flood affected girl stands with goat on the bank of Kosi River
Of course,
at Kausaha village in Purnia district in India's eastern state of Bihar, August 31st, 2008. Most years, the Kosi River of eastern India is a tranquil stream that flows gently into the Ganges, but every few years it becomes a raging torrent, wreaking disaster.
wrecking disaster on everything in its path. This year it causes a flood of a biblical proportions, making 3 million people homeless and flooding an area the size of the Netherlands and Belgium put together. See, that much area is flooded with water. Put together Netherlands and Belgium, the area. This is the mother of the all floods, said PV Unnikrishnan of aid agency Action Aid, summing up the devastation. Yes, next.
Supplementary,
Sir, thank you, sir. I request
supplementary
Babu
question.
sir to continue.
Yes.
And
Supplementary
again,
question, sir.
thanks Hussein sir for
Which
giving this
river is
opportunity.
known as Sorrow of China? Which river is known as Sorrow of China?
Which river is known as Sorrow of China? Your voice is
Huangho.
very low, sir.
Huangho.
Yes. Now I will shift it from you to, I will take the part of mine. I will be the now host.
Let me be
Yes.
host, sir.
Yeah, I may be the host.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And thank you again, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And
Yes,
thank you,
yes.
Mentor.
Yeah, where we up to Kamla River that we have did it now. Yes. Yeah, let us come to take my chance. I believe that you are do you could see my screen? No, you could not see my screen because I know that I could. Yes, now you could see the scene. Yes, now you could see the screen. Is it or not? Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I appreciate. Don't be a silent spectator. అక్కడ క్లాస్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు జోక్ చెప్తారు కదా సార్ అరే వై యు ఆర్ నాట్ స్పీకింగ్ సార్ ఆమె మూగది కనీసం మూగది అని చెప్పండి హౌ కుడ్ ఏ డమ్ మ్యాన్ విల్ సే దట్ ఐఎమ్ ఏ డమ్ మ్యాన్ ఓకే which city is on the river bank in India? Match the following here. City and river. Number 1, Ludhiana. Number 2, Gwalior. Number 3, let me first. Yes. Number 3, Panaji. Number 4, Surat. The right hand side rivers are Tapti A, Mandavi B, Chambal C, and D is Sutlej. And what is the right combination? సార్ మీరు యమున రాయలేదు సార్ అక్కడ మీరు మూసి రాయలేదు సార్ అక్కడ మీరు అది ఈజీ మాకు తెలుసు కదా సార్ ఓకే నో ఐ వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ ఇట్ చేసింది ఎస్ 1D 2C 3A 4B and 1D 2C 3B 4A and 1C 2D 3B 4A and 1B 2C 3D 4A, which is the right answer for that one?
Option 2.
Option 2. I appreciate that. So I can give the clap. I appreciate it is a Ludhiana, Sutlej, Gwalior, Chambal, Panaji, Mandavi, Surat, Tapti. These are the right answer. I appreciate for that answer because today the most of the participants have given the answer and everybody should have to part like that and we will feel more happy when we will get the right answer from you. Yes, number 182 famous cities on river banks in the world. I am speaking about the world. Still the 5 minutes are left over there. Let me see that how much I could cover it. Number 1 city Baghdad and B, I mean 2 Bangkok, 3 Berlin, 4 Belgrade. And the river C Chayo Paharia and B is Tigris and C is Danube and Sava and D is Spree. So here the choices I have given 1A, 2B, 3D, 4C, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, and 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. So which is the right answer for that one? You can try and make it out.
First one.
Option?
Option 4.
Option 1, it is wrong. Okay, next. Another chance.
Option 4.
Option 4 is the right answer. I agree. Again, I would have to make a clap for the answer which he has made. Yes, this is the clap. City and river. And Baghdad is the Tigris, and Bangkok is the Chao Phraya, and Berlin is the Spree, and Belgrade is the Danube Sava. This is the answer for that one. Yes, 183. Which is India's national fish? National fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Kingfish, whale, river dolphin, shark. I think we can just use the deductive method. You can know it. What is the right answer? Because
River dolphin.
in the Patna, there is a research institute is made.
Option
River
three.
Dolphin. River
Kingfish.
dolphin. 3.
I have given the hint to you. I told you that in the Patna there is a research institute. That means it gives the sense that it is a river dolphin. Yes, river dolphin is a national aquatic animal of India. The Ministry of Environment and Forest notified. File referring to the external side opens in a new window. Of course, we had opened it for the different purposes. The Ganges a river dolphin as the national aquatic animal on 18th May 2010. It is made over.
Whale
Yes.
is not a fish, whale is a mammal, sir.
Pardon?
Whale is not
Yeah,
a fish.
yes. Whale is yesterday that we discussed oviparous and viviparous. And a whale is a viviparous, not a oviparous. It's not a leg young. It give the young birth of the babies. So that was the thing. Next, come to the
What
point.
is flying mammal? What is flying mammal?
Yeah, again we can say that is nothing but a dolphin because it's only the fly. Even
No, sir. Bat. Bat is
Acha,
flying.
yeah. Because when I was speaking about the fish, I was thought,
Gabbilam.
Gabbilam, that the bat, B-A-T, bat.
Bat is flying.
Yeah,
mammal.
that
It
is
gives
even
birth to
another name for
baby.
the bat is a nocturnal animal. Nocturnal means it could see the night very much because by transmitting the waves, like ultra waves, like that, it will transmit to know that which is there in opposite side and what is the huddle would be there in the front.
Ultrasonic.
Yes, those are the bats, and they will upside down. They will make it hangs, and most of the them, if they hangs to the electric pole, sometimes it will touch the two wires. Then it will die, but hanging at one wire. Okay, 184. Under which tree shade Buddha mediated and attained the enlightenment? With this, I will stop it. Number 1, Ficus religiosa, and 2 Bodhi tree, 3 people tree, and 4 all of the above. I repeat, Ficus religiosa. This is the botanical name, and next is the Bodhi tree, then the people tree, and all of the above. Which is the right answer? Anyone?
Option 2.
Including the co-host.
All trees are.
All of the above, sir.
All of the above is the right answer. Because
Bodhi tree, all one and the same tree.
one and the same. The Bodhi tree, it can be botanically known as a Ficus religiosa or a people tree, under which the Buddha is believed to have a mediated and attained enlightenment, is located with this temple complex and venerated. Emperor Ashoka built a first temple near Bodhi tree during the 3rd century BCE, almost 300 years after Buddha's period, 566, 486
Banyan
BC.
is Ficus bengalensis.
Yes, banyan tree.
Scientific name is Ficus bengalensis.
Oh, that is the botanical name.
ఇది రావి చెట్టు.
Botanical name.
Ficus religiosa రావి చెట్టు.